This house is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm not just saying that. Everything about this house is completely updated, and it has really a rich, almost craftsman-like feel on the inside, even though it's completely modern throughout. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services, and right now I'm at 376 Viewpark Circle in San Jose, 95136 zip code. This is in Parkview. It's just steps away from Parkview Elementary. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,260 square foot home. Sits on a 5,500 square foot lot, and the way that it's positioned, you have plenty of backyard space and plenty of front yard space. The level of maintenance is really stunning throughout the whole entire home. Upgraded doors, upgraded trim, upgraded hardware, updated bathrooms with maple cabinets and granite countertops, beautiful shower enclosure. Everything about it is really just move-in ready. One of my favorite things about it is the real oak flooring that is in excellent condition throughout all the floor surfaces of the entire house. Definitely a shoes off type of a home. I really love the kitchen. It has these very unique quartz countertops that actually have a leathered matte finish, high-end stainless steel appliances, very nice maple cabinets with pull-out shelves. And then you gotta check out this white subway tile backsplash. You're gonna love looking at it when you're making your coffee in the morning. There's a lot of little touches with this house that you really don't see in a home of this age. For example, as opposed to your standard pass-throughs in a house, these archways really gives it some character. And one thing I haven't mentioned, this gorgeous real wood burning fireplace, beautiful slate tile and mantle, a little bit of old world charm in this modern house. With houses of this age, a lot of times people don't like the compartmentalization of the floor plan. You don't have that with this one because this is opened up behind you. So you have this formal living area, but it really walks right into the dining room, which is open to the kitchen and open to the backyard. The bedrooms are off to the back of the house, which gives a lot of privacy, but the guest bathroom is right down the hall here. I also like the size of these bedrooms, ample space for your kids, for a home office. Master bedroom with its spa-like bathroom and vaulted ceilings really gives you a touch of luxury. Speaking of luxury, the backyard is extremely luxurious. Totally dialed in landscaping that's super low maintenance, and that stamped concrete patio is covered by a veranda. And of course the front yard, it's actually a really cute house, great curb appeal. You'll be proud for your friends to come visit you. Beautiful as this house is, it also has a lot of capital upgrades. The things that cost money but don't shine, like the countertops. Double pane windows, composition shingle roof that's in great condition, copper plumbing and central heat. There's not much that you need to do to this house. It could be your first home or a family home that you could live in forever. More important than the house itself is the entire neighborhood, and this is Viewpark 95136. We're steps away from Marshall Cottle Park, which is just down the road from here. Great commute location to downtown San Jose or the peninsula, smack dab right in the middle of the Caltrain and the VTA. 87, 101, and 85, all of which take you to where all of the tech giants reside that have made Silicon Valley one of the most robust employment centers in the entire world. Oak Ridge Mall, dining and shopping, Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, Safeways and Lucky's. Not to mention, there's actually 2 Starbucks within walking distance of this home. Walkability that you might want in an urban house, but it's very much a suburban family neighborhood. One of the things I think is easy to miss is how close we are to downtown Willow Glen and downtown Campbell. Pretty cool places for hanging out with your friends, dining, shopping, as well as being on the south end of San Jose, which I just love because it's close to Morgan Hill and Gilroy, which have actually become kind of their own mini wine country, and they have great downtown centers as well. As always, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation of this gorgeous house. If you have any questions about this house or really any real estate related questions at all, be happy to take the time to talk to you. You can text me or call the number that's on the screen.